In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create next and previous slide buttons in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're looking to make your presentation flow seamlessly or want to provide your audience with a more interactive navigation experience, adding these buttons can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily do this step by step. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation that you'd like to enhance with next and previous slide buttons. Once you have your presentation open, let's start by inserting the action button. Head over to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This is where all your tools for adding elements to your slides are located. Now, in the Illustrations group within the Insert tab, you're going to see various options, but you'll want to click on Shapes. As you open the Shapes gallery, scroll all the way down towards the bottom until you reach the Action Button section. Action buttons are pre-designed shapes that come with preset navigation functionalities perfect for our task. In this example, we'll create a next button to navigate forward in our presentation. Select the action button that says Forward or Next, represented by a right-pointing arrow. Now click and drag on your slide at the spot where you'd like your button to appear. As soon as you release the mouse button after drawing your shape, an Action Settings dialog box will pop up. In this box, you'll see a tab labeled Mouse Click. Make sure this tab is selected so the action happens when the button is clicked during your presentation. You'll notice that under the Hyperlink To section, the default action is already set to Next Slide, which is exactly what we want. So go ahead and click OK to confirm these settings. With your button now ready, it's important to test its functionality. Go to the Slideshow tab at the top of your PowerPoint window and click on From Current Slide. This will start the presentation from the slide you're currently editing. Now click the button you just created to ensure it links correctly to the next slide. Checking that everything navigates as it should is a crucial step to avoid any hiccups during your actual presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully added a next slide button to your PowerPoint presentation. If you want to add a previous button, you can simply follow the same steps, this time selecting the action button labeled Back or Previous, which is represented by a left-pointing arrow. With these controls now in place, your presentation is equipped for a smoother, more dynamic navigation experience during delivery. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your presentations even more effective and engaging.